Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Grom 125 in a beautiful metallic red. This bike is in really fantastic condition, only 763 miles. Bar end mirrors, flush mount turn signals, low mileage, ABS. This is an ABS version, fender eliminator kit. Come by, make your Grom dreams come true for just $33.99. Save hundreds of freight and prep on this nearly new Honda Grom ABS. We have financing, we have extended service contract. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.